Hi guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Isis. If you didn't know, subscribe down below, hit the red button so you don't miss any of my videos. And today's video, I will be showing you guys what I bought online at Wet n Wild. I bought their brushes and then the new palette and then their new primer, and just I was trying to do a full-on face of Wet n Wild, but it didn't work out. As you can see, I already have my eyebrows done. I think the only thing I don't have is the eyebrows and then the concealer. Other than that, I think I have everything else. But yeah, I was trying to attempt to do a Wet n Wild full face, and yeah, that didn't happen. But anyway, okay, so I will be taking the Wet n Wild Dewy primer, and this claims to have lightweight formula infused with vitamin E, smooth skin for even makeup application. I've never tried this before, so this is actually new to me. Yeah, and I'm just gonna open that up. That is weird. So it does have like a tint to it. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. Yeah, I don't think the camera's picking that up, but it does have like a little tint to it, and then holy shizness. This thing, okay, so this thing just came out all over the place. That's crazy anyway. So that was a mess. But I can see it has a little bit of sparkly in there. We'll see how that works. But I'm just gonna be applying that all over. That actually feels really nice. I'm not gonna lie. But so far, I feel like it does look really nice, and it does feel really nice on the skin as well. I look really luminous. I guess I could say I look really dewy more than anything. But yeah, we're gonna move on to foundation, and for foundation, I will be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I love this foundation. It's really nice, and for the price, like honestly, you can't beat it. This is such a good foundation for $5.99. So I really like that. Okay, and for that, I will be using my beauty blender as always, and I love the applicator. It has a wand and everything, so I mean, it's really good that it has a wand. Okay, so I don't have a Wet n Wild concealer, and I did pick up a new one. This is the Milani. I'm not sure if it's new. It's new to me, but this is the Retouch Erase Light Lifting Concealer, and that's what it looks like. And I will be using this. I've seen that it has really good reviews. Now I'm not sure if it's good, but it does have the little kind of like the Maybelline Age Rewind. And then taking my beauty blender again, I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, so it feels really lightweight so far. I wouldn't say this is a full coverage concealer. I can still see underneath my dark circles, like I could still see them. So I wouldn't say it's a full coverage, but we are gonna go ahead and move on with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. As you all know, this is my favorite contour stick, and it's also by Wet n Wild, and it's really affordable. You guys need to get your hands on it. I talk about this mostly on all my videos, so I really like this stuff. I know, I look scary. And then I also picked up the new Wet n Wild brushes. Aren't they so pretty? Like, they are so soft. I haven't actually tried them, but they feel so soft. and they feel like they are expensive. But we are gonna go right ahead and just I'm not sure what brush I'm gonna be using, but to blend this in, I'm just gonna use this one right here for my nose. I'm gonna use my beauty blender just because if I don't hurry up, this stuff will dry up on me, and so I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna go right in with my beauty blender. Okay, and then to set my under eye area, I will be taking this contour palette, and I will be taking this shade right here. This is the shade Dulce de Leche. So I'll be taking this light shade, and then I will be taking the P65 by Wet n Wild. And then I'll just set that. And then to bronze up my face, I will be taking this Wet n Wild pressed powder. This is in the Photo Focus line. This is not actually a bronzer, but I picked it up for that reason because it's a really nice shade. It reminds me of the MAC Gimme Sun bronzer, which I don't use that all year actually. I do have it, I just don't use it all the time. But we will go in with this one and see. Oh, and then for my brush, I use the P70, and it's also by Wet n Wild. This is pretty much all Wet n Wild except concealer and eyebrows. So, yeah. So, it's not anything like life-changing or anything like that, but I feel like it looks really settled and it looks really nice. It just gave me that color, you know, that I needed. It's really nice. Okay. Okay, to contour, I will be going back into the Dulce de Leche and then taking this dark shade. And I will be taking the brush P50 and also by Wet n Wild. I'm gonna take this pressed powder. This is in the shade Warm Light, and it's just the same thing as the other one, just a lighter shade. And I'm just gonna take that underneath here. Just to sharpen things up. I did go a little bit hard on the contour, but that should work. So for blush, I do have two shades. I'm not sure which one to use, but they're both beautiful. So I have, let's see. I have Mellow Wine. And then I also have Pearlescent Pink, which is also a really nice shade. This has a little bit more of a shimmer, and then this one's more like a darker pink, you know. I think I'm gonna go with this one though. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one out of all of them, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take that. Okay, so for blush, I will be taking this brush. This is the P55, and it's just an angle brush. And then I'm just going to be tapping this because it can get a little bit too much real quick. For the price that you're paying, these are so pigmented. Like, you guys need to try these. Anyway, for highlighter, I have two different highlighters, and I also have this Hello Halo highlighter. These are new. I like that it comes in this glass bottle. Now, I don't know, but you guys will have to be really careful because it is glass and that thing can break and it can get messy. So it does have a little wand, and I'm just gonna be taking that wherever I concealed. To blend that out, I will be taking my beauty blender. And this is such a pretty color. You see that glow? Gosh. And I haven't even put my highlighter on, but just wait until I put it on. That thing's gonna be pop. For highlighter, I have two different ones that, like I said, and I'm not sure what shade to take, but this is in the shade Precious Petals, and then this is Botanic Dream. I hope I'm not saying that wrong, but it's a pink shade. So that's what it looks like. And then I use this all the time. This is Precious Petal. Like, I think I'm gonna go with a pink one. I've never tried it, so let's go with that one. And then I will be taking my beauty blender for this. Actually, I won't. I'm gonna be using this brush. This is the P75. We're just gonna try the brushes out, that's why. So we're gonna use this one. I normally use my beauty blender to highlight, but I will be using the brush. Ooh, you guys. Look at that nose. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. I look so glowy as fuck. I mean, I look glowy as AF. Like, oh my God. Look how glowy I look. Like, literally, what's up with Wet n Wild? Oh my God, like, they complete my life right now. Okay, now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be taking this eyeshadow primer by Wet n Wild also. I bought this a long time ago. This is actually really good. It reminds me of the Urban Decay Potion Primer. I'd say this is a dupe for that. I feel like this one's a little bit thicker though, but they both work really good. For eyeshadow palette, I will be taking the Rose in the Air palette by Wet n Wild. Could you guys not? Like, does this remind you of anything? Like, I'm thinking modern Renaissance palette. Like, you guys, it is the same. Like, it's the replica of that. Like, don't you guys think this is the exact same thing? Only like the mini version of this. Oh my. But we're gonna go in with this palette today, and I will be taking this transition color right here. And tapping that. And we're just gonna put this on the crease. Now this doesn't have a mirror, but I can deal with that. I can deal with that. It's cool. I'm not tripping. I'm taking for my brush, I'm taking the P20. I forgot to mention that. And I'm not using the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just using the mirror for it. Just so you guys know, I want to be clarifying that. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's kind of like an orangey shade. For that, I will be using the P15 brush for that shade. Taking the blending brush, I already cleaned it up a little bit just so I can blend this in. And I will be taking this shade right here from the palette, right next to the one that I just took earlier. So, they don't have a name, do they? Yeah, they don't have a name, so I'm just gonna take that in the outer corner of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this shimmery shade right here, and I'm gonna be placing that on the lid. And I did wet my brush for that. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I was gonna do a wing liner, but I like this look. It looks really good. So I will be taking this Wet n Wild Volume Plus mascara. I've never tried it before, so this is my first time. I'm actually gonna open it right now because I just bought it like a week ago. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I love to curl my lashes. That is like, I have to, a must. So okay, going in with the mascara. I hope this works. So far, that's what the mascara looks like. It looks good so far. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna take the colors that I took before in the so I'm gonna go in with this one, and then the orange one on this side, and then this darker kind of like reddish color, and I'm just gonna be taking that. Okay, and then for my inner corner, I'm gonna go back into the liquid highlighter and just kind of put that in the inner corner. Going back into the palette, I will be taking this shade right here. It's just a shimmery shade in the palette that I will be taking for the inner corner. Okay, going back with mascara, I'm gonna coat my lashes, my lower lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go right ahead and add some lashes off camera. I know that Wet n Wild doesn't have lashes, at least I don't think they do. I don't know. But I'm just gonna go right ahead and add some lashes, and I'll be right back. So now I'm just gonna go in with the lip, and I picked up this lip liner. This is in the shade Bear to Comment. And it's just a nude shade. It looks really pretty, and it's a retractable one, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna line my lips up with that. And then I did put some eyeliner on my waterline, just so you guys know I don't have a Wet n Wild one, so I just put one that I already had. So it definitely feels really creamy, which is really nice. For liquid lipsticks, I have two different ones. I have Gamey Mocha, and then this is in the shade Rebel Rose. I want to say I want to go with this shade. We're going to take this shade right here. This is the Gamey Mocha, and we are going to use this. Anyway, so this is the look that I came up with. Isn't this gorgeous? Like, this is such a pretty look. And not only that, they're all affordable products, and Wet n Wild is really stepping up their game, and I don't know what else to say. Like, this is just like really, really nice, you know? Like, look at this. Anyway, so that pretty much completes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.